Okay, so how do you get a shallow depth of field when you're filming with the EOS 5D Mark II? It's been a problem, and there's been people talking about it on the forums about how when you're using auto mode with the 5D Mark II, you can't get a shallow depth of field because it automatically sets it around 5.6. One workaround that we've discovered how to do this and how to make all of your automatic lenses fully manual lenses, which means you can set the aperture how you want, is basically just this. You set your camera to AV or aperture priority mode, and then you set the aperture using the top ring here to whatever aperture you want, whether it's 2.8, 1.4, f3.5 as in this case, which we're filming with. And once you've got the aperture that you want, here you have the depth of field preview button. If you push that in, so it locks it, and then you take the lens release button here, push it in, if I can find it, push it in, and then just turn the lens about 2mm. And on the top here, the aperture will go to 0, 0. The lens can't fall off, it's still locked on, but all you've done is move the contact point so they're not touching anymore. And that has now locked the aperture into whatever you set it at. So when you then switch to video mode and start filming, that aperture is locked in on the lens, and you're going to get a really shallow depth of field, and it will work with any Canon lens or any Sigma or Tamron or compatible lens with the camera, so you now don't have to worry about being able to be in control of the aperture when you're filming. So give that a try, and I really hope it helps you with your filming with the 5D Mark II, because the quality, as you can see, is pretty good.